Hi guys, it's Jonathan here to do this week's activity on walking through the jungle, and we're going to hear lots of different animal noises and see if you can guess what they are. Let's have a go. What's that sound? Is it a snake or is it a parrot? Listen again. That's right, it's a parrot. Well done. Let's see what's next. Oh, listen. Is it a lion or a monkey? Listen again. Oh, let's see. That's right. It's a lion. Here you go. What's next? Is it? Oh, let's listen. Is it a snake or a frog? Listen again. That's right. It's a snake. Snake. What's next? Ooh. Is it a tiger or an elephant? That's right. It's a tiger. Tiger. What's next? Is it a crocodile or a monkey? That's right, it's a monkey. Monkey. Ooh, what's next? Is it a lion or an elephant? Listen again. That's right, it's an elephant. Elephant. And that is finished. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'm really looking forward to seeing more of you next week, and I hope that you're well. Okay, take care. Bye.